How to set up automatic payment on Bank of America. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily set up the AutoPay option on your Bank of America app. So let's just get right into it. First of all, on your login page, enter your login credentials and your passcode to simply open up your login account. Once you are inside your account, you'll find different options on the top and different tabs. Head over to the Pay and Transfer tabs right on top. Just tap on here. And then from here, you'll find the BOFA card or auto loans option. Go to view manage payments. Then it will wait for it to load completely and you'll land on the pay and transfer option. Now just go ahead and click on the pay bills option and then click on go to bill pay. And once that is done, you'll see your payment center right here. You can select the account to auto pay setup. So select which account you want to set up it in. Scroll down until you find the auto payment option and click on set up auto pay. Once you have done that, you're going to have to select your account. Once you've selected account, select delivered by and select which date you want to do it. And it's if you set this to earliest delivery date, there is less likely chance to miss any payments. So after that, you can select your amount and which balance you want to use. Then select the amount. After that, you can just click on start sending payments. And after all of that is done, you have successfully set up the payment method for Bank of America. So that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see here, the auto pay has been enabled. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.